Well, hey folks, it is May 16th, 2026. Just checking in with you guys. I did a little bit of a reordering here on the porch. I did have some problems with these bigger red buckets. They have holes in the bottom, so they do drain out, but a lot of dirt drains out with them, so I got to keep them near the edge because I was getting too much dirt accumulating up here, and I have to wash it all the way down. Now all I gotta do is just spray around it and it'll get out. These all have holes in the bottom. These pots have captures. They have trays. That one has a tray, that one has a tray. That one has holes in the bottom, but that one takes a lot of water, and those holes, the dirt really doesn't come out of them. So that one stays relatively clean. I did some trimming back on some dead. This has a lot of new growth. This is all new growth from here to here. This thing is weird. Whatever it is, it's weird. It's a little tree. This is a stabilizer. I tied it in and actually used it to separate these limbs. I put a separator in. So this is really firm now. This was really flimsy in the ground. But this is doing good. This little guy is 4 fingers tall now. And this one just started growing. I don't know what the heck it is. Some kind of wild holly or something growing in here. And then all the red ghost peppers. Hey, zoom out. There you go. I trimmed up the dead parts of the aloes, trimmed them back, make them look prettier. Red ghost pepper, no, it's a scorpion. It's a scorpion pepper. Yep, that's a scorpion. And then the lilies, the calla lilies, really started growing. That is 2 bunches. There's another bunch over here growing. It's a different color on the limb, on the leaf. These have dots, as you can see. The ones off of that plant have no dots. They're completely solid green. It's a totally different variation. This ivy, ghost pepper plants. The maples are out here now, getting more sunshine. So this is all 9 of 2025 maples. You can see they're growing really nicely now. Even the little ones have some nice trunks on them now. The big one has a pretty decent sized trunk on him. And then of course the big guy. And then that's the big Florida red maple. Bonsai. I took it out of the tray, so now this doesn't have a water tray underneath of it. I'm gonna have to keep it watered so it doesn't dry out and die. But the roots are supposed to dry out somewhat, so it's good to let the roots dry and get air. I'm trying to do this the right way, so I got to keep watering it. And then we got more scorpion peppers. These things are blooming flowers, but they're not growing any peppers, so not sure what's going on. Those are some more aloes, more aloes, more aloes, and vine. And then this is another plant that wifey got as appreciation day from work. I had to go into a bigger pot because it was root bound. So here it is, it's out here growing. This is that's it right there. Yep. And ask me what that is. But that's what it is. And these are all red ghost peppers. They're not really doing anything, but give them a chance. There you go. 5-minute tour.